Hey folks, we're going to Massey's Kitchen, Lookout Mountain, Tennessee, to get a brunch. Check that out. We're gonna let y'all know how it is. Hey folks, look, we at Massey's Kitchen. We're gonna get us a breakfast pizza. Got to share it with y'all when we get here, so y'all get y'all appetite ready. Look at that, folks. Now that's a breakfast pizza at Massey's Kitchen. Check that out. Look how good that looks.
That would probably.
Going to the coffee shop, Lookout Mountain, Tennessee. It's an overcast day. Look who I seen today. Market on the mountain.
Oh, good. So what do you take?
Hey, did y'all enjoy y'all's trip today to Lookout Mountain, Tennessee?
We did.
Awesome. Robbie, what was your favorite part of your trip today?
Eating.
Eating. I have to agree. You can't. It's hard to beat eating. Well, folks, we just took a trip to Lookout Mountain, Tennessee. We went to Massey's Kitchen. We found a little coffee shop, found a little grocery store. Now we got to make our way home. We had a great time.